says J, J. So again, always at the beginning, your name goes right here. Capital at the beginning, lowercase at the end. And we have jam. Rainbow, write your J's, pick 3 colors. Do one color all the way across, then the next color all the way across, and the next color. So you have 3 colors. Lowercase j starts on the dotted line, dives down into the worm line with a monkey tail, and wiggle for a dot. No big circles, no giant blobs, just a little wiggle. Dive down into the worm line with the monkey tail and wiggle. All right, here's our pictures. We have a ring, jellyfish, watermelon, raccoon, jam, wagon, rainbow, wheel, robot, jelly beans. And on the back, get a yellow crayon and circle and color in all of your J's, uppercase J's and lowercase J's. Do all of them. For uppercase J, dive down with a monkey tail. And this one has a hat. We don't normally put a hat on top, but you can. Dive down with a monkey tail, okay? Lowercase down into the basement or the worm line with a monkey tail and wiggle to put on the dot. And make 3 or 4 more yourself. And that's your J book. The next thing that we have is writing. So you will need to get out your writing mat and you will need to turn to the after school page. After school page, okay? So it says after school, and then it has some activities: sports, dance, snack, play outside, play games, read. You're going to choose which activity you like to do after school. So the first thing you do is write your name, and then we're going to trace the words after, and then school, then we're going to put our finger down right next to the L, and we're going to make a capital I. We're going to be writing the words I, like, and to. So we're going to write capital I, and then we're going to put our finger space on the other side of that, and we're going to write like. And then I don't have room for the word to right here, so I need to go to my next line. I like to, and start right at the beginning of the line. I like to. And then you need to figure out which thing you like to do. And maybe you like to do something different that's not on here, and that's okay. So you're going to write whatever you like to do right here and put a period at the end, and then you're going to draw your picture. Very good. And that's our writing. And now we're going to do math. You have 2 math pages to do. You're going to be doing this page. And remember, math is always behind your blue tab. And the dominoes page. You need those 2 pages. And that was the bell at school. All right, so we're going to do comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. Okay, so first thing I do, write that name. Good job. I see you writing your name. Getting ready. All right, it says count the stacks of cubes. Write the number. Color the set of cubes that is greater. And greater is another way to say more. So the first thing we're going to do, and we're going to do this together, is we're going to count the number of cubes. I like to start from the bottom and go up, and sometimes it helps if you put a little mark in the middle. So you know you counted it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 there, so I'm going to write a 9 right here. Now I'm going to count this one. 1, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's 10, so I'm going to write a 1 and a 0, and I'm going to make sure that my numbers 1 and 0 are the same height as each other. That 0 cannot be teeny tiny. And then it says to color the set of cubes that is greater. Well, we know that 10 is greater or more than 9, so we're going to color the set of cubes that are 10 because they are greater. All right, let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 right here. Make a hoop and then a loop. All right, and let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a dive, a big fat belly, and a hat. And so we need to color the one that is greater. And you can use a different color if you'd like. 6 is greater or more than 5. So I'm going to color this stack of cubes right here because it is more or greater than 5. Okay, we're going to count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one only has 1. That's really easy to count. And so we're going to color the one that is greater, and 4 is greater than 1. Remember, greater than means more than. 4 is greater than 1. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Across the sky and down from heaven. And remember, you should be counting these as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make an S. Do not wait. Go back up and close the gate. Well, I know that 8 is more than 7. It is greater. So I'm going to color that one. All right, let's count the next one. 1, 2, 3. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. Count this one. 1, 2. Around the track and back. 2, 2, 2. All right, well, I know that 3 is greater than 2 or more than, so I'm going to count this one. Color this one. And let's do the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make a hoop and then a line. That's the way to make a 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a hoop and then a loop. Well, I know that 9 is more than 6. So I'm going to color this one. And that's how we do that page, boys and girls. The next page you're going to be doing by yourself, but I'm going to explain the directions. It's the same thing that we just did, only there's dominoes. First, you always put your name, and then it says count each side of the domino, write the number, and color the domino side that is greater. So this side of the domino has 1, 2. So you're going to write a 2 here, and then count this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side has 5. And then you're going to color the side of the domino that is greater. Well, we know that 5 is greater than or more than 2, so we're going to color that side of the domino. And there you go, boys and girls. That's what you're going to do for the rest of the page. For each domino, count and write the number. Count and write the number. Color the side of the domino that is bigger. And that's how you're going to finish this math page. Don't forget to watch science video next. Bye, boys and girls.